Find the remainder when this expression is divided by 1000. Okay, I think let's understand this notation. When we say NC2, it means that it is n and then followed by n minus 1 divided by 2. Therefore, no matter how complicated it is, let's say this is 3C2 and then C2, right? It would be 3C2 multiplied by 3C2 minus 1 and then divided by 2. That's the idea, right? Therefore, now we want to understand how to compute this 3C2 minus 1. Therefore, we look at the general case. The general case is K minus 2, KC2 minus 1. Therefore, KC2 is actually K times K minus 1 divided by 2. Therefore, in this case, can you see that put it into a single fraction, you get K squared minus K minus 2 divided by 2. It can be factorized into K plus 1 times K minus 2 divided by 2. Therefore, KC2 and then C2 again, it will be KC2 multiplied by KC2 minus 1 divided by 2. Therefore, can you see that KC2 is K times K minus 1, and then this expression is equal to K plus 1 multiplied by K minus 2 divided by 2. Therefore, we will get K plus 1 multiplied by K minus 1, K minus 2 divided by 8. Then in this case, can you see that 8 is actually 1 times 2 times 4. Therefore, I introduce a 3 and then I multiply by 3, counterbalance. And this expression is actually K plus 1 C4. All right. Therefore, with this understanding, this expression will become 3 plus 1 C4. Then this expression will become 4 plus 1 C4. And then this one will become 41 plus 1 C4. All right. And then now we will get 4C4 plus 5C4 all the way to 41C4. And the answer is actually 41 plus 1 C5. Let me explain the result here. All right. We look at this result first. This result is n minus 1 C r minus 1 plus n minus 1 C r. This is like, and this is equal to NCR. NCR means that out of these n people, you want to choose r people, right? How do you, and in this case, can you see that in this n people, there's this particular person, I call it A. If A is not inside, A is not the chosen, is not inside the chosen r people, then isn't that, can you see that A is not inside, therefore you are left with only n minus 1 people. You have to choose r people, right? Therefore that will be n minus 1 CR. Then this is the case number 1. This is case number 1. Case number 2 is that A is the one selected in the r people. A is the one selected. A is inside the r selected people. Therefore, you are left with n minus 1 people. Therefore, now in this case, you have to choose the remaining r minus 1 to form the r people. Therefore, A is in the r chosen people. Then you left with n minus 1 people, and then you need to choose r minus 1. Therefore, this plus this will give you NCR. All right. Therefore, now you look at it in this way. 4C4 and 5C4, right? Therefore, but 4C4 is basically 1. The answer to 4C4 is basically 1. I can change it into 5C5. And then 5C5 plus 5C4. Can you see that this will give you 6C5? Based on this result. Based on this result here. And then what is the next number here? The next number is 6C4, right? Therefore, 6C5 plus 6C4, that will give you what? That will give you 7C5. That will give you 7C5. no, sorry. This part here, 6C5 plus 6C. Okay, this one here. Yeah, this one here, can you see that? This one will give you 6C5, right? Therefore, 6C5 plus 6C4, that will give you 7C5. Or 7C5. 7C5. All right, then and then you continue this process, you will get 42 C5. All right, therefore 42 C5, and then you go through the computation, and write it as 42, 41, 40, 39, and 38. Then this part here give you 120. Then 3 times 40 also give you 120. Therefore you get 38 times 42, and then 41 times 39. And with that, you actually get 4 modulo 1000, and therefore the remainder is 4. Yeah. With that, I stop here.